I'm Cutie Cupcake.
Ugh. All right, kid, we're here.
Wow, this is where you live?
Yes. This, well, is the moon.
The moon? What is this, like a group?
Yes, this is the moon group. This is, well, where we all are, where we live. It's nice around here, right?
I guess. I mean, there's a lot of cats.
Don't worry, little kitten. We'll find you a foster mom. We'll find you a foster mom, too.
Why would anyone want to be a mother to me? I'm annoying.
You're not annoying. Don't say that.
Wow, there's so many. Who's your leader?
Leader? Well, I'm the leader, actually.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, thanks for bringing me here. I might as well go meet everyone and bring my sister to a new mom.
Well, first I have to bring you to the foster moms that are available. Come on, follow me.
Oh, okay.
I'm back. Oh, did you find somebody? There was only one foster mom available. Oh. Hi. Here she is. Hi, would you like to adopt these two pretty kittens I found? Well, they were out and they're being bullied. Oh my god, of course I would. I am a foster mom, so I do want to take any kittens. Well, here you go.
New mom?
This is for Kit, and this is her sister. And you can take them into the den, all right? As we'll do. Come on, I'll help you. Come here, honey. Come on, honey, let's go. I'll show you around.
Okay. Should I follow her?
Yes, follow her.
Yay, I have a new mom. Yay.
That was great. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Right here, this is the den that you will sleep with me, all right?
Okay. Oh no, my sissy. Oh no, mommy.
You called me mom, and you just met me.
I get attached easily.
Well, this is where we sleep. There is separate dens, but for now I want to keep you with me. I'll grab your sister. Swiss Kit, my baby. I promise I'll take so much good care of you guys.
Okay, thanks, mommy.
You're welcome, sweetie. You're gonna need someone to train you soon, though, honey. You know, do you really know how to hunt?
No, not really.
Oh, okay. Well, how about we go ask Leader right now? And let me take her with me. All right?
Okay.
Follow me.
Yay! My new life. I do miss my mommy, though. But she was kind of abusive. I love my new life, though. Here, with everyone.
All right. Where's Lead? Oh, I'm right here. Oops, sorry. What do you need?
Yeah, there you go.
We need to get, my baby a mentor. Oh, yeah, we could look for a teacher around here. I have to do a meeting. Come on. Meeting. We're doing a meeting. Meeting? Huh? Oh. Meeting, ready?
Meeting?
Meeting. Let's see what Lead wants. You have to go up there, honey.
Okay.
For Kit, can you step up, please?
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah.
Huh? Who's that Kit? Must be a new fellow, right? Yeah. We will need someone to teach for Kit how to hunt. She's a new addition to the moon group. And we need to get her somebody to teach her how to hunt. Does anyone volunteer on teaching her how to hunt?
I volunteer. I volunteer. I volunteer.
All right, we got 3 people to volunteer. I'm gonna choose wisely.
Wow.
June, you can be the teacher of the new kitten. Well, she doesn't look like a kitten.
Well, actually, I don't know what I am. My mommy always called me a kitten.
I'm pretty sure she's not a kitten. I'm pretty sure she's a kid. Yeah. I don't think you're a kitten, sweetie. Because we wouldn't get a teacher for you. You would be too young to hunt. And, well, your sister's a kitten.
So I'm a kid?
Yes, you're not a kitten. Your old mother was wrong.
Oh, okay.
Wait, am I gonna teach her? Yes, you're gonna teach her, June. Yay! Okay, I'm so excited. Hi. Congrats. Congrats. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna teach you how to do all of the fighting tricks, okay?
Yay! Okay.
All right, so you're not a kitten, okay, sweetie? Your sister is, but you're not.
Okay.
Well, the meeting has been settled, and you can all go back to what you were doing, but we'll need some people to hunt, so we'll need 3 people to hunt. Do you think I could take Fur-Kit out with me, with 2 other people? I will watch her, I promise. I could hunt with her and show her everything. Yeah, of course you can. Just be back. It's gonna be dark soon. Okay, come on, Fur. You're not a Kit, so I don't need to call you Kit. Come on, Fur. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, let's just wait and see if people want to come hunt with us.
Okay.
I could go. I don't mind.
Same.
All right, perfect. You 3 can go. Well, 4. All right, guys, let's go then. All right. All right, are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. Wait up. So where are we going?
Remember, kid, we're going to hunt for stuff. Yeah, guys, come on. All right. Come on, guys. Coming? You should go first.
Okay.
All right, I'm not seeing much around here, guys. Yeah, barely. I don't scent anything. All I see is a dead worm and a bunch of ants.
Ew, it's a big worm. Yucky.
It's okay. Just come on.
Okay. Gross.
There must be something out here. There has to be. Let's hope. You know, it's getting late, so there's probably not going to be, like, much rodents out here.
What's a rodent? Why are you all staring at me?
Are you sure she's not a house cat? Yeah. I don't know. You have to ask Leader that.
I told you I'm not.
Let's just go. Yeah. You don't know what a rodent is?
No, not really.
You need to learn a lot still. Come on. All right, over here, I sent something. Something around here. What do you smell, Ginger?
Food?
Quiet down. We don't want to scare the animals, Fur. Yeah, it's somewhere here. I see something black. Looks like a rabbit or something. Well, then hunt it. I mean, maybe she should. We gotta learn for her to hunt. I think it's too big for her. Too big? Rabbits are small. Small enough for her. Hey, be easy. Maybe she's not ready for a rabbit yet.
Yes, I am.
That's right there. I see it.
Run! Run, guys, run!
Wait, what? What's going on? Guys, run!
Wait, what?
Come on, come on! What's happening? I don't know. What happened? Huh? Guys, are you okay? What's going on? Huh? Hey, what's going on? Why is everyone running? Sorry, excuse me, everyone. What happened? Huh? I don't know. What happened? Wolf! Wolf! Coming! Our way! You're coming! Coming? Where's my kid? Right here. Here she is. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go and lock down.
Wait, what? What's going on?
I don't know. There's a wolf.
Wolf? What do we do? I don't know. What do we do?
Everyone just calm down. We need to go and lock down. Everyone get in the dens. Everyone to the dens.
Wolf.
The kids will stay with you. Okay, we're all going in the same den? We have to. Okay? Oh, God. Oh, what do we do? We gotta run! Come on, come on, come on.
Where's my sissy?
Someone has her, okay? We just gotta get in the den. What about our food? We'll have to leave it. Okay. Everyone in! Come on, let's go, come on! I sent it. It's nearby. Come on, everyone, in the den. Come on, come on, come on. We're so scared. It's gonna be okay, everyone.
Sissy, come here. Mommy, I'm scared.
It's okay. It's okay. It's in the back. It's here. It's in our area. What do we do? Everyone, just stay quiet. It's not gonna come for us if we don't make a noise.
I'm scared.
It's okay. It's okay.